do we have in here? So we've got 2 trays of broad beans here. So all I do is I get the large broad beans because they're the best for this type of thing, soak them overnight, drain the water, wash them, boil them until they're nice and soft so there's no wrinkles, because these are from dried obviously. And then with the baking tray style I'm using 2 baking trays, it's about half a kilo each there, dry weight, and I have the oven on really low, so 140, and obviously the top of the oven's going to be hotter, so I will be swapping those over and I'll be checking them every 10 minutes. They could take some time, but what happens is once you've roasted them, dried them out really, it forms a crisp edge on them, and they're like nuts. So if you're into health food and you want something nice and healthy instead of crisps, that type of thing, something really high calorie, these are a great option. So I added a little bit of salt, sprinkle of salt all over them. You can use garlic powder, you can use chili flakes, the possibilities are endless. These are really popular in China, out in the Far East, and they're absolutely delicious, and the thumbnail is what they look like once they've roasted, and they will have the same texture as a nut. So fantastic, can't wait. Thanks for watching.